website on either eHarmony or Match.com. And I am going to try again. And Michael? Michael? Is that you, Michael?
That's not bad. Recording it. Something fell too. It's funny. But that's not part.
I'm dead.
That's not part of the movie.
Die.
That was pretty good.
Ew, stop, I'm dead.
You gonna take me falling?
Yeah. What can I name that?
That was awesome. How's about Marco meets Myers?
Yeah, I just taped that. It's pretty good.
Check it out. So look, I am going to give it another try. I'm going to do the Christian one. I don't have money for it now, but after my Christmas bonus, I'm going to get myself an apple, take care of my car
I got apples in the refrigerator.
and I'm going to go and I'm going to do another 3-month thing because it's cheaper that way on Christian Mingle. And then I'm going to also do either eHarmony and Match.com. And I'm going to start to date.
Why, you got to pay for that stuff?
Hell yeah, those websites you got to pay for.
What a ripoff.
Agnes!
Let's go down to Broadway and North.
Alright, so look, check
Wait,
this.
can I tell you
Check
something?
this out. You ready?
Wait, Ron.
A model / actress did this. She put a sticker on the on River Ave in the city. Yankees fans are trying to get it renamed Rivera Ave for the great Mariano Rivera. And look, I would love, this is my kind of chick. Look, you could see she's ripped, but not like ripped big time. You could tell she has muscles, and I like that.
You like muscle chicks?
I do, but not where they're like ripped and built. Not where they're like that much stronger than me. Just a little.
Uncle Ron.
Here's why I bought the paper to begin, really, because I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to laminate this and put this up. How awesome is this?
That's good. It would be if you just don't
Look at
want
it.
it to get too damaged.
I know.
Don't you got any more of those papers?
I could always buy another one, I guess.
Uncle Ron.
Yes, sir. Look
No,
at that.
don't
Look.
say about-
From retiring batters to retiring hero. Thank you, Mo. And I have a picture up of him just taped to my wall in my apartment where it was the article about, you know, the magazine that I have. It's New York Magazine. So in the picture is a picture from that magazine, inside the magazine, the article. It's him, like this, holding his Holy Bible. What a witness that is, man.
I thought you liked the
I
other
love
guy.
it. That's him and Tebow are the best because they never shy away from giving God all the credit, the glory, bringing him up. And there's a lot of Christians on the Yankees and other teams and other sports.
What about Andy?
They don't talk about God. They have the opportunity to be a witness to so many people that are fans of them, but they don't take advantage.
What about Andy?
But Mo and Tebow,
What happened to
They
Andy?
do.
No, I thought you were Andy.
Pettit,
fan.
he talks about God.
But I thought
when
you're-
people ask him
I thought
like
you were a
stuff
big
like,
fan
are
of
you
him.
coming back or are you retiring? He goes, I have to talk it over with my wife and I'm going to pray about it. We always pray about everything, he says.
I thought you were a big fan of his.
I am. I'm very pissed. I'm not even watching the Yankees next year with Mo and Pettit, my two favorite Yankee pitchers, gone, retiring, and the fact that Jeter's not going to play every day. He might not be able to play at all at shortstop. If he's a DH, we'll be lucky. You know, DH is designated hitter. It means you don't play the field. It's a shame because he's 40. He's going on 40, Jeter. I can't believe it. Because, I mean, when I started getting into baseball, he was a rookie and all that. And he's like just a kid. That shows how old I'm getting. It's just, I can't believe it.
Take it out.
In a decade, right? And first of all, in less than a year, I'll be the age Jesus was when he died, 33. And then in less than a decade, Ty, I will be 40. That is sick. Your dad already is in his 40s. That's sick.
And
When we started Hacked, he was like in his early
Hack
30s.
and Hack still won't be done.
What? What? Did you just fart? And did you just put down Hacked? And I tend to think I was going to read you
Read
the
it now.
synopsis
Let me
of
start
Hacked.
this. Let me start this out.
You